So the car, there's no brakes on the car. So that means, get out of here. This is my E30. This is just as much as mine as it should be.
All right, guys. So this week on the E30 build, episode 92, we are putting brakes on the car, maybe. We are replacing the steering rack. We are dropping the subframe. We are inspecting the differential, hoping it's okay. We are replacing the bushings in the subframe. We are adding camber and toe to the rear end.
Why your fence just come right off?
Because they didn't add any. You can smell it. It smells like thread locker.
Does.
Yeah.
It almost smells like PB Blaster, like the other way around of what they should have used.
Yeah. You can see the thread locker on it. They just
didn't do so hot.
Yeah.
So, Banker, are we just not trusting Corey with the rest of this?
No. The internets have decided that Corey doesn't know what he's doing, which, I mean, could have told you that from the beginning. But now he has more important things to do in FI, so we're going to take over this project.
Jesus.
I think there's more in there than there is out yet.
Yeah, I think you're right. Actually, this side's starting to come apart before
the other side.
Nope. Supposed to have 2 doors coming in.
Okay.
So just that little bit of tapping got it out after all that.
Well, yeah. We were trying to get this one out before.
Yeah.
Oh.
That one came out instead.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, whatever works, right? Well, ladies and gentlemen, is a steering rack.
How do you like BMWs?
Yeah, same as everything else. Pain in the ass. Yeah, rack is in.
Yeah, I heard.
After some setbacks, but we gotta figure it out.
Some setbacks, but no Corey setbacks.
Yep.
The rear end of the E30 is non-adjustable, so that means you can't correct the toe, you can't correct the camber. So basically when you lower the car, you are stuck with whatever it sits at. So we were actually in a little bit on the toe, and we needed to come down a little bit with the camber. So basically they make these plates, and what they do, the control arm bolts right here, and when it's not able to move, you can't adjust anything. What these do is they elongate that hole, and they give you some eccentric bolts, so you can adjust the way that this sits either up and down or side to side. So you can adjust toe and camber once these are both in. So this, if I could unscrew it, would actually kind of be like a camshaft where it goes to this top and then all the way to the bottom. It doesn't just spin in a perfect circle like this side. Make sense? Get it?
Nope.
Cool, all right.
Awesome.
Hey, buddy.
Hey.
So come here. Come on. We've got some stuff. We've got some cool stuff this week.
I like stuff.
Yeah, we got some cool stuff this week. We got cool going on here for the E30 video. Come over here and check this out.
We wanted to tell you that I wholesomely believe that the reason we got this is because of your E30 video.
Are we getting kicked off YouTube?
This is a formal resignation.
This is a formal resignation from the CEO of YouTube herself to tell you that we're no longer making your videos. Can I take this? Can I grab it? No. Okay. Work here full time and then you can have it. Gels, that's yours.
Wow.
Your turn. Don't touch it.
Oh, that's nice. It's plastic.
What is that? Is that even paper? Or is that card stock?
Have you guys seen it? 100K.
100K.
It's a thing. It tells us that we did it. We made it. We're there. If you
Can you get your fingers out of my shop? Your dirty paws. Dirty.
We'll take it.
Dirty
Peter. You ready? Get out the case.
No, not dead stocking. It's not dead stocking.
Does it smell like YouTube or what?
Does it smell like YouTube?
How to handle fame.
Oh, it smells so good. Yeah. Congratulations, Corey.
Keeping
I think
this.
that's real silver.
I think it's real plastic.
I would like to shout out all the E30 viewers.
All 12 of them.
Yeah, all 13 of you have really helped us out with this. Except for you, that one guy who keeps telling me that I'm the bane of your existence.
No, this is awesome. Thank you guys.
Oh, Jenny Smith.
Jenny Smith.
I don't know who you are.
Thank you guys so much for making this happen. This is super neat. We're gonna put this up on our wheel wall, take a bunch of pictures, put it all over Facebook so we feel better about who we really are. And yeah. Hey, don't dare. You don't gotta kiss it. You don't gotta kiss it. That's some weird shit.
You never did that with the shoes?
Like NBA, you know, like the championship.
NBA?
They
NBA?
smack each other's butts, not kiss.
No.
That's not any better.
How does it go, Mario?
Yeah.
It's a little better than kissing a man.
They grope each other's crotches.
Nah.
Be a lot to.
Hang on. I haven't gotten a hold of it yet.
Oh shit! Here,
I
give me
need
the
to
camera. Give me the
I
camera.
need to see this. I need to see this. I need to see what it says. See, presented to Fitment Industries. 100,000 subscribers. This is
Do you think they give us a gold one for 5?
That's cool.
$1 million.
I can see myself in it, which I don't like.
When do they give us a platinum one?
It's just a platinum.
It's a big moment. You know, I've only
diamond?
worked here for a
They give you
total
just a
of
big
like
diamond?
3 months, and you know, this is a big deal.
Take that away from him.
It's a
Thank
big
you.
deal.
I'm a big deal.
You've been here 3 days. You were late for one of them. You'll hold this when you're consecutively here for a month without being late.
And he off for an hour today.
I didn't. It's not true.
Okay, so the
Boom. All right, let's get a picture.
thank you.
Really, Corey?
I never do. I know YouTube could come better than this. I need straight.
Yeah, spin it on the finger.
So can I get some moments?
Oh God! No! God, you guys are.
All right, let's get a picture.
Corey's
Let's
ready.
move this dirty table out of here.
Tiny Tim.
It's dirty.
Dirty ass bands that he's had since the last time he worked here. Haircut hasn't changed. Hairline.
And now Max.
You got the same shoes that you had 6 months ago.
Nah, those are the same.
Mario, you just hit him like an 8th grade girl. You hit every personal level you could, and then at the end,
I gotta have the camera because you know I'm the camera guy.
Yeah, it's like, and your parents don't love you.
All right. Greg, perfect. Nope. Eric, don't stand in front of Greg. Greg, tippy toes.
Come here.
Guys, props is like 4 foot in.
Switch
That's
spots.
what I'm saying.
I want to have the right camera.
And then Mario puts the camera in my face, like,
Sorry.
this guy, right?
I'm short. I have to be right here. You good, Greg?
I feel like. Alright guys, so as you can see, we still have the rear end all ripped out. We're putting new poly bushings in. Ours are all kind of worn and cracked. So we're just going to refresh those a bit, hit it with a couple coats of paint, get it all nice and crispy looking. And then we also got the camber and the toe correction in. So what that's going to do is it's going to allow us to go to about -4, -5 degrees, and then we'll be able to go as far positive as about 0 to -1. So yeah, that should pretty much do it. We got the carpet in too. Not in, but done. Carpet is all black. The dye absorbed it all. And then we hit it with a quick shot of aerosol dye to top it all off, kind of give it a nice, natural, smooth finish at the end. And yeah, hopefully next week we'll have everything buttoned up back in the car. get the car back on the ground and driving again with plenty of clearance. But yeah, until next time, if you need wheels, tires, or suspension, check out www.fitmentindustries.com. Don't forget to subscribe. We like followers. Peace.
Filming my video.